Hey everyone, welcome back to the Peel Onion. Today I'm going to show you how to delete conversations on Claude.ai. Now I know some of you have been using Claude to chat about all sorts of things, but maybe you talked about something private or made a mistake, and now you want that conversation gone forever. Well, you've come to the right place. The great thing about Claude is that deleting conversations is super simple. All you need to do is navigate to the conversation you want to remove in your chat history. You'll see the name of the conversation at the top, right next to that little down arrowhead button. Click on that name, and a menu will pop up with the option to delete. Click Delete, confirm you want it removed, and boom, that chat will vanish like it never existed. No fuss, no hassle. Claude makes wiping your slate clean a total breeze. I mean, privacy is important, people. You don't want any embarrassing convos coming back to haunt you later. And with Peel Onion's handy tutorial, you'll be deleting chats swiftly and confidently in no time. So if you ever need to erase a bot chat, maybe you got a little too real talking about your fear of clowns or hatred of wet socks, Claude's got you covered. Hope this helps you guys take control of your AI conversations. Let me know what else you want to see demystified in the comments below.